Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to discuss about the gift card. So gift card is a prepaid card which contains a certain amount of money in it, and it can be used as an alternative for the cash for making purchase from a retail store or from a group of stores. So let's see how can we manage the gift card in Odoo 17 sales module. So let's see how can we manage with the gift cards in Odoo 17 sales module. For that, let's move on to the sales module, and we have to enable the loyalty gift cards from the configuration settings. Then only we can manage with the gift cards. So here you can see that we have already enabled the discounts, loyalties and gift card. This manage the promotions, coupons, loyalty cards and gift cards as well as e-wallet. So once you have enabled this functionality, you can save the settings and let's move on to the products and choose the gift cards and e-wallet. And here you can see the gift card that is already created. So choose one of the gift card over here. And here you can see that the program name is given as gift card and the program type is gift card. And these gift cards can be created manually or automatically and sent by mail when the customer orders a gift card product. Then this gift card can be used to pay orders also. So in order to manage with a gift card, we have to choose a gift card product over here. And this gift card product is a type of service product which you can see over here. Now let's back to the gift card that we are dealing with. And here you can use the email template and if you want to just print a report, then you can choose the gift card as well as the currency that to be applied in this gift card is USD. Now the program will be triggering automatically over here, and we can use the points on current orders or on future orders or on current and future order. So by default, the gift card points will be applied on future orders, and this gift card comes under the company. My company is Chicago, and let's make it available in the point of sale, sales module as well as in the website. And this can be used in all websites and on point of sale also. Now, if you want to just display this gift card worth, that is the value of the gift card, you can set over here. So we have just given the dollar as the displayed as. So once you have just created a gift card, you can just save this and click on generate gift card. This would allow you to generate the gift card for anonymous customers and selected customers. So if you're going with the anonymous customers, in such case, you could generate any number of gift cards having the gift card value, and you can also set an expiry date for the gift card. And this gift card could be used for any of the customers or the friends that we want to give. Now, if you are going with the selected customer, then we have to choose a particular customer over here. Let's consider our friend over here. So we are going to give a gift card for our friend, and if you want to just choose any customer tags, you can just apply that over here, and the quantity that to generate is 1. Now here you can also choose the gift card value. So this gift card is worth of $100, and you can see that as we have just given the display as dollar, the worth that is value will be shown over here. And I'm not setting the validity period for this gift card so that my friend could use this gift card at any time as of her wish. Now let's click on generate and send gift card so that the gift card will be sending to the friend. Now you can view the gift card over here, the generated one over here. And if you want to send this separately, you can send, or if you want to share this, you can share also. Now let's move on to the orders and let's create a quotation. So we know this gift card can be only used in the future order. So let's make an order for the customer, that is for our friend. A shirt. We are going to present a shirt for our friend. So here you can choose the product which is shirt, which is a worth of 1,999, and you can see the amount over here. And let's save this and confirm the order, and let's deliver the item to our friend. So upon the delivery of the item, she would receive a gift card by mail, and she can make use of that gift card while purchasing in the future. So let's check the mail of the friend. So here you can see that the friend has received a gift card over here, and she can make use of this gift card while making a future purchase. So let's see how she is going to make use of this gift card. So let's copy the code over here. So let me choose that, and let's back to the Odoo platform. Now our friend is going to just make a purchase of a salwar. So here you can choose the name, and we know as we have just dedicated this gift card for our friend itself, she can only use that gift card. So the customer that we have just given should be same as that of the customer that we have just given under the gift card, that to be generated. Now she is going to just purchase a salwar which is worth of 499. Now she can use these codes to apply. So just click on coupon code so that she can just apply the code, and click on apply so that she can make use of this gift card, and the value of that is the price of the product will be just redeemed from the gift card, and still she has a balance of 598 in her gift card. So here you can see that, and everything is done. Now she can just go with her purchase, and let's confirm the order, and we are going to deliver the item to the friend. So we have done with the delivery of the salwar to the customer or to our friend. So this is how we manage with the gift cards in Odoo 17. Gift cards are the convenient and flexible way of giving present to someone who wish to buy the items according to their choice within the constraint of the card's value. So that's all about gift cards, and hope this concept is clear for you. As always, stay awesome and thank you for watching the video.